Hi guys, it's me, Junior, and today I'm going to flood the restaurant. Ha 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 ha.
Oh no, the incoming flood. Let's get the heck out of there.
Yes, now I can swim.
Oh, I can't go in because the restaurant is flooded.
Yes, I can swim. Look, I have a fish. Wow, Mr. Fishy, you can swim. Bye Fishy, see you real soon. Wow, this is nice. Uh-oh, what's that?
Come on, everyone. Let's go to the restaurant. What the? Why is there a restaurant door closed? Maybe Junior did this. I better go check. There. Now the door is opened. Come on, everyone. Let's go inside to eat. Junior, you're back.
Yes, I am here.
Junior, did you just flood the restaurant?
Yes, I did.
Junior, how dare you flood the restaurant? That's it. You are grounded for.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 6, 7, 5, 3, 0, 9, 6, 6, 6, 4, 2, 0, 1, 3, 3, 7, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 1, 5, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 9, 8, 9, 9, 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 years.
Let's go home right now. Go to your room now and never come out.